Namaste everyone. In construction of quadrilaterals, today we are going to discuss the last topic, that is when three sides and included angles are given. So now first of all, we need to understand this term included angles. So let us understand from the first question, that is, draw a quadrilateral in which AB is equals to CD is equals to 5 centimeter and BC is equals to 4.5 centimeter, means three sides are given. Then what are included angles? If we are taking side AB and BC, their common angle will be angle B, because their common vertex is B. So angle B will be included angle. So angle B is given. Then BC and CD are given. Second pair is BC and CD, and you can see their common vertex is C, means angle C must be given. So angle C is equals to 135 degree. So angle C is called included angle. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to start our construction from the side which is containing both of the angles. So angle B and angle C are given, so we have to start our construction from from side B. So first of all, draw B equals to 4.5 centimeter. This is BC. As I told you that angle B and angle C are given, so we have to start our construction from the common side of these two angles, common arm of these two angles, and that will be BC, that is BC. Okay, so BC is given equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now draw the angles. Angle B is given equals to 45, angle C is given equals to 135. And to draw both B and C, first of all we need to draw the angle of 90 degree. So on B we have to draw 45 degree. So draw an arc, then place on the initial point. First cut 60, then second cut 120, and half of 60 and 120 will be equals to 90 degree. But 90 degrees angle is not asked. So this we have to draw dotted. Join point of intersection with B, and this is your angle of 90 degree. Now do the half of 90. So this is the cut of 90 degree. Now do its half. One arc from 90 degree, another arc from 0 degree, that is the initial point of the arc. Then join them. This is the angle of 45 degree. In same way we have to draw 135. So for 135, first of all we need to draw 90 degree. First cut 60, second cut 120, and third cut also required here, that is 120 plus 60, 180. Then half of 60 and 120 will be equals to 90 degree. So, but 90 is not asked, so again we will draw it in dotted. Then half of 90 and 180, because 90 plus 180 will be equals to 270, and if we will do half, then the half will be equal to 135 degree. So one arc from 90 and another arc from 180. Point of intersection with C, this is your angle of 135 degree. Now what is given? B and C points are there. From B you can draw BA and from C you can draw CD, and both are 5 centimeter. So open your compass equals to 5 centimeter on B and cut point A. Then place on C because both are equal and cut point D. Erase the extra parts, and this is point A and this is point D. Join A and D, and ABCD is your required quadrilateral. ABCD is your required quadrilateral. Next is draw quadrilateral ABCD, in which AB is equals to 5 cm, BC is equals to 6 cm, CD is equals to 6.5 cm. Now angle B, you know that here included angle is angle B, so angle B is equals to 105 degree, and here in these two included angle is angle C, so angle C is equals to 120 degree. Now first of all we have to start our construction. As I told you in first question, angle B and angle C are given, so we have to draw BC first of all. So BC is given equals to 6 cm, so draw BC is equals to 6 cm. Draw BC equals to 6 cm. Then this is your BC and given equals to 6 cm. Now angle B you have to draw 105 degree. So for 105 we need to draw 90 degree first of all. So like previous question, open your compass a little, place on B and draw an arc taking B as the center. Then first cut 60, second cut 120, and half of 60 and 120, one arc from 60 and another arc from 120 will be equals to 90 degree. Join it with B, and but this is not the required angle. Again I am repeating, if it is not required angle then we have to draw it in dotted way. Then 120 and 90, 120 plus 90 is equals to 210, and half of 210 is equals to 105. So one arc from 120 for 105 and second arc from 90. So these arcs are intersecting at a point, and that point will be 105 degree. So join it with the vertex B. So this is your second arm of the quadrilateral, okay, from B, and the angle is 105 degree. Now come to angle C. Angle C is 120. Place on C and draw a semicircle. From the initial point, first cut is 60, second cut will be 120. So this is your angle of 120 degree. So as I told you, from first point, that is B, we have to draw BA, that is 5 cm. Open your compass equals to 5 cm and cut a point on, place on B and cut point A, which is 5 cm. Erase the extra part. So this point is point A. Now second is C. So from here we need to draw CD. CD is given 6.5. So from C we need to draw CD, which is equals to 6.5 cm. Open your compass equals to 6.5. Place on C and cut point D. So this is your point D. Here also erase extra part and join A with D. Join A with D, and ABCD is your required quadrilateral. One more part, that is part number 5, where you have to draw quadrilateral ABCD in which all three sides AB, BC and CD are equals to 6 cm and angle B is equal to 60, angle C is equals to 120. So first of all, draw BC equals to 6 cm. Then this is BC and given equals to 6 cm. First of all, on B, draw angle of 60 degree. On B, keep it as small, open it as small, place on B and draw an arc. And keep it same, place on the initial point and draw first cut. This is equals to 60 degree. Same. Now, angle C is also given equals to 120 degree. Angle C is given equals to 120 degree. So place on C and draw an arc. Here, you know first cut from the initial point is 60 and second cut will be 120. So second angle C is 120, join second cut with C and this will be your angle of 120 degree. Now all three sides are given equals to 6 cm. So open your compass equals to 6 cm. From B you have to mark point A and from C you have to mark point D. And this is your point A, this is your point D. They all are 6 cm. Join A with D. ABCD is your required quadrilateral, and remember it will be a rhombus because all sides are. Now let us see how to draw such type of quadrilaterals using protractors. Then the first question is, draw quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equals to 5 cm, BC is equals to 4 cm, CD is equals to 4.5 cm, angle B is equals to 70 degree, angle C is equals to 100 degree. So first of all, as I told you that angle B and angle C are given, so we have to draw BC first of all. So BC is given equals to 4 cm, draw BC is equals to 4 centimeters. Then you are given angle B is equals to 70 degree and angle C is equals to 100 degree. So as we know that 70 and 100 are not possible with the help of compasses. So we need to take the help of protractor. Now see how you have to place protractor. This is the center point. This must be on the vertex. And the base line, that is the line of 0 degree, must be on the red line. So see the angle of 70 degree. Now our 0 will start from the right hand side because the base line is towards right. So 70 will be here. Mark a point here and draw it. Next angle is 100 degree. So now place the center on C and now your baseline is towards the left side. So see, where is your 100? This one is your 100 degree. Then join it with C and this is your angle of 100 degree. Now you have to draw AB and CD. So AB is given equals to 5 cm. Open your compass equals to 5 cm. We have to draw AB. So place your compass on B and cut a point A. This is equals to 5 centimeters. Then next is CD is equals to 4.5. So open your compass equals to 4.5, place on C and cut point D. Now join A and D, and ABCD will be your required quadrilateral. Join A and D. ABCD is your required quadrilateral. See the last part of the exercise. So the question is, draw quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equals to 5 cm, BC is equals to 4 cm, CD is equals to 5 cm, angle B is equals to 80 and angle C is equals to 100. So angle B and C are given. So we have to start our construction from BC. So draw BC is equals to 4 centimeters. Then this is BC and given equals to 4 centimeter. Then angle B is given equals to 80 degrees. So take your protractor and place on B. This is your baseline, so 0 degrees here, and mark point on 80. So join this point with B, and this is your arm of angle of 80 degree. Then we have to draw 100 degree on angle C, on point C. So the vertex must be on C, the baseline must be on BC, and your 0 will start from here. So 100 degrees here, mark point and join it with C. So this is the arm of 100 degree. Now A, B and C, D both are given equals to 5 centimeter. So open your compass equals to 5 centimeter. Then first of all, place on B and mark point A. Then place on C and mark point D. So let me increase it a little. Then this is point A and this is point D. Join A with D, and ABCD is your required quadrilateral.